Well, it's windy out. I can tell you that much. We've spent about 2 hours in the truck today, driving around from spot to spot to spot, trying to hide away from the wind. And that's it. We're in a rock in the middle of the North Atlantic, and if you don't like the wind, you best move. We're going to do our best still. I have a few gullies to check out. The wind shouldn't be too much of a factor. It's going to suck with the fly rod, but shouldn't matter too much with the fishing. Just a bunch of dinks anyways. I have my doubts though. I got a funny feeling we're going to get either skunked or driven away by the flies. But I come prepared. I had to go pay $14 for some fly dope. I asked the lady, was the fly dope indicated or sativa? I don't know if you guys can hear that wind, but it is rotten. Hopefully when we get down to this little hole, the wind is not too bad and we're able to actually get a fish or two. We made it. Looks okay too. Water's a little low, but the lily pads aren't growing in yet. Yeah, we're gonna go to that point though, because all the wind's pushing this way. So we'll start over there. Right, I'm hooked up, and this might even be a better fish, guys. I think I fouled him. I think he's fouled. What's on the go here? Holy cow, I got the fish, I got some grass. How in the heck did that happen? And a little bit. Hang on, buddy, let me get you untangled. You're full of. Ah! Okay, that was a bit of a mess. That little trout inhaled that little fly. I had to use a stick to get it out. Hey, we got another one. And this one might be properly hooked. I'm gonna bop him over into the shallow water to keep him away from everything else. Oh, little brook trout. No, calm down, not underneath my feet. Calm down, I'm letting you go. Don't worry. Now we'll lay the rod over this way. This is a nice little trout. Hands wet. Oh, he inhaled it. There you go. Nice little brook trout. Beautiful colors, beautiful pattern. There you go, buddy. Got one. He come right out of the airport. Ah, that was awesome. I hope the GoPro got that. I don't think it did because it was shifted sideways. Ah! Oh, damn little brookie. I just can't wait to get the bike back on the go or a new one or something, because I need to get back to my regular brook trout holes that have fish, geez, 3, 4, 5 times the size of this guy. Hang on, little guy. Jerk. Don't be covered in moss. Hang on. Remember I said those little tiny flies? Yeah. Hard to get out with a pair of pliers, and I don't have any pliers or forceps or anything on me. Come on. Ah, I can't even get a hold of it. There we go. Here, buddy. Oh, I got one. Underwater. There we go. Knew there'd be one right by the rock somewhere. Come on, buddy. Camera's shifting all the time. No, no. Stay out of the moss. Stay out of that moss. center of the nose. Ooh, beautiful brook trout. Got it. Hope I'm recording. This might be a good fish. Over by the rock. Ooh. Oh, little guy, how you doing? I'm gonna get the thing straightened away, get the fly out, and I'll show you this little fish. Whew. Man, it's so hard to get out when they inhale like that. He took a swipe and missed it. It's underneath his jaw. Oh, I got it. Oh, and he's gone. It's all right. He's right there. Oh, just as I was casting, he came up and took it. Oh, he's a nice little fish too. Oh my. Hey buddy. My hands. Oh. Lay the rod knee down over here. Get the cabbage off. Hey bud. I'll put you back. If I can get this fly nice and out, or out nice and easy. There you go. Ah, wet hands, slippery fish, but that's the way it should be. Oh, just as I was about to leave, I trooped behind the rock, and I got a good one. Not a monster, but probably fish of the day. Real nice brookie. Not happy about the whole situation, not gonna lie, but the old 10'7" weight, more of my salmon rod versus a trout rod, so he don't got a chance. If anything, I'll pop the fly or bust the light leader I have on, but he ain't going nowhere. Come on, calm down. I want to put you back so I can scatter. Right. There you go. Hook is out. Look at this guy. You little chungus. A little 8 or 10 inch brookie. Good and healthy. See you, bud. Now I can go home. See y'all. You know I'm a sucker for punishment, right? I couldn't quite leave and I just hit another pig. And I mean, you know, for this little body of water. But this is a nice fish. Behind Mr. Rock. I need to actually get him under my reel. You can see his fins, the brook trout. Again, 10'7". Shouldn't have an issue with the rod. Oh, that was the issue. Oh, popped him. I don't know if he took the fly or not. I hope not. Oh, he did. No. Oh well. This one's for you, Des.